YouTube, this is Falco Cat here, and what we're gonna do is you rock and laugh. This is like I think this is lip balm stuff. That looks fine. I'm not gonna mix it because there's not a lot of it. But whenever I have some more, I'll mix them. Okay. I can't show it, so I'm gonna have to make another video and show you. I'm not saying because it won't let me show you. But if you like this video, thumbs up, thumbs down. If you haven't subscribed to me, subscribe to me. And happy Labor Day, guys. Bye. I'll see you next video.